Let us start. Now we will work on the crown center. The thought current of discontentment, frustration. When you lack involving with others' life, the crown center collapses. Please understand. If you make the responsibility as a lifestyle, involving with others' life with responsibility, the only way you can awaken the crown center, once your crown center is awakened, you live like a god. The only way your crown center is awakened is by living the fourth fundamental truth about living enlightenment, enriching yourself and others continuously. What I mean by the word enriching is you taking responsibility with integrity and authenticity that you are committed to continuously enriching, making difference to yourself and to others. Listen. You taking responsibility with integrity and authenticity that you are committed to continuously enriching, making a difference to yourself and to others. Enriching is your commitment to the possibility of living yourself and life around you in a space of expansion and completion. Enriching is your commitment to the possibility of living a life of enlightenment. See, when you learn to enrich yourself and others, you live a life of solution, not of problems. The Chandala lives only with problems. A Brahmana lives only with solutions. Kshatriya makes problems, Vaishya solves problems. But even Vaishya and Kshatriya does not have solution. They take it only from Brahmana. Enriching is your commitment to the possibility of being superhuman, living continuously the divine consciousness. Do not give up on yourself and give up on others. That is the secret of enriching. Understand? Don't give up on you and don't give up on others. Meena Joshi is asking, Swamiji looks very tired, like he needs a good sleep. How is he going to meet 280 questions for Kalabhairava? Meena Joshi, don't worry. Once Kalabhairava enters, sleep, everything disappears. I myself disappear. What about sleep? Meena, you don't need to worry. Kalabhairava handles. Akashic reading is the easiest thing for me. I just need to keep quiet. He will do the whole thing. The master key to practice enriching you and others is don't give up on yourself. I don't give up on me, and I don't give up on others. I don't give up on me, and I don't give up on others. Please understand. How strongly you are going to remind yourself not to give up on you and others, that is going to make the success of your life, and that is going to keep your crown center alive, Sahasrara alive. Let's work on this exercise, then you will understand this tattva, enriching others. Make a list of all aspects of your life that you are not satisfied or happy about it. Look deeply into each of these aspects of your life and identify where you are not taking responsibility for your non-integrated and inauthentic thoughts, words and actions that are present in these aspects of your life. Now with awareness, bring integrity, authenticity and responsibility to these aspects of your life and visualize that now you are a being in a space of expansion, happiness and gratitude. Write down what are the new thoughts, words and actions you will take in the same aspects of your life now. Inside this new space of being in expansion, happiness and gratitude, write down in what ways you will now enrich yourself and others in your life, in all other aspects of your life. Go ahead. Sahasrara collapses when you are not satisfied, you are not happy with your life. See very clearly, your unhappiness will be because you gave up on you. If you quickly give up on others, you will give up on yourself. If you don't give up on you, you will not give up on others. Because I never gave up on me, I'll never give up on others. Three more minutes. Still how many are writing? You have 3 minutes, finish. Let's gather for next session. Thank you.